two AI video platforms that keep popping up everywhere. Heygen versus Hedra. Which one really delivers? On the left, Heygen, polished AI avatars built for professionals. And on the right, Hedra, an expressive multimodal studio designed for creative freedom. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into the real differences. Each round gets scored, and by the end, you'll see precisely which tool comes out ahead. The result might surprise you. Okay, so here's how we're going to break it all down. Think of it like a mind map in front of you. We're comparing them on pricing, avatar quality, lip sync and voice, features and workflow, best use cases, and finally, ease of use. Let's jump right into pricing first. All right, talking cash. First up, Heygen. Honestly, they give you free trials, and there are multiple subscription tiers, so you've got quite a bit of flexibility if you want to tailor your plan. But yeah, the premium stuff, it does jump up in price. Not terrible, but if you need those fancy goodies, just be ready. Now, Hedra, they do have a free tier, and I mean, you can even hook up API integrations if you're feeling nerdy, but those credits run out real quick. The free plan is pretty tight, and if you're hoping to export tons of videos without paying, honestly, it's not going to happen. So if budget is key and you want flexibility, Heygen's got the slight edge here. Moving on to avatar quality. Now, Heygen, their avatars look smooth, like the polish is next level. Tons of pre-made choices. It's all very corporate ready. So if you want professional vibes, this is your jam. The only knock, the emotional range isn't super creative, but it's more than enough for business stuff. Hedra, though, this is where things get spicy. Their facial expressions, super expressive. Actually kind of fun. And you can upload custom avatars too. But here's a catch. They can look kind of stiff during full body movements. And sometimes the head tracking gets a little weird in complex shots. So for shine and consistency, Heygen wins. For emotional energy, Hedra's cooler, but just a little janky on the big moves. Now, let's talk lip sync and voice. Heygen absolutely nails it. Voice cloning, polished lip sync, multi-language support, just feels solid all around. No major complaints. With Hedra, you get lots of voice choices and their facial animations sync up pretty well, but it's not quite as refined as Heygen. So once again, Heygen takes it, especially if you want your avatar sounding, actually human. Wait, quick fun fact before we get to the radar chart. Hedra raised $32 million from A16Z, and it was built by ex-Google and Apple engineers. Yeah, talk about pedigree. All right, features and workflow. With Heygen, you get a big template library, input with text or voice, loads of customization, and video creation is honestly super quick. But if you're looking to build like crazy custom workflows, there are some limits. Hedra, though? Oh, this is something cool. They're built as a full multimodal studio, which just means text, image, video, audio. They put it all in one spot. You can animate images, hook into APIs. There's wild creative control. Downside? It's kind of deep. Takes a hot minute to get used to. But if you want creativity plus control, Hedra is the winner here. So what about best use cases? All right, Heygen is honestly perfect for content creators, marketers, educators. Basically, if you need polished pro content fast, it's awesome. It struggles a bit with, like, highly creative artsy stuff, but for business, solid. Hedra is totally different vibe. Think social media, wild creative projects, flexible campaigns, or even animating your own images. The only thing, it's not really built for those buttoned-up corporate settings. You know what? This one's a tie. Both have their strengths depending on what scene you're working in. Now, let's wrap up with ease of use. Heygen, honestly, super breezy. The interface is clean. Beginners won't get lost. Templates walk you through everything, and the workflow is just straightforward. Couldn't be simpler. Hedra's got this AI co-pilot thing, real-time edits, but the feature set is kind of a beast. There's definitely a bigger learning curve there, so if you want plug and play, Heygen wins. If you love geeking out over all the settings, Hedra could be awesome, but you'll need a bit more time. So putting it all together on a radar chart, you'll see Heygen consistently scores higher for polish, pricing flexibility, and ease of use. Hedra really shines for features and creative workflows. So if that's your thing, it's got some serious depth. So, final thoughts. If you're making videos for content, marketing, teaching, or you just want something super reliable and pro-looking, Heygen wins hands down in 2025. But if you want to push the envelope on creativity with custom avatars and wild workflows, Hedra is the platform to play with. For corporate polish, go Heygen. For pure creative freedom, Hedra is your jam. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.